हेलो, इस साल में आप लोग ने क्या क्या किया बताओ ना जल्दी।
Coffee, coffee, sugar, woke up, paper, paper, news, clock, one time, one run, one. Train, wait, bus was late, wait, class was friendship, bonding, fun.
I have never quite known how to say goodbye. Endings aren't usually sharp. They creep in through packed suitcases, last minute ambitions, conversations that trail off more easily than they used to. So, yes, I've been thinking about it. We all have been thinking about it. And because we've been thinking about it, we made a film about it.
What the YF has taught me was there are just so many ways to be smart. There is something that someone is good at, and you can always learn so much from everyone. And I never thought I would do courses like foreign policy or law. They were just so alien to me. But now, even if it's something that I'm unfamiliar with, I feel unafraid in approaching that. I think that's been I feel like it's a superpower.
In term two, I felt like to really connect with the subjects, I felt like maybe, I don't know, I should start drawing again. And when I started drawing again, I felt freer.
I never thought I would have done half the stuff I did, including like play basketball.
I think the biggest thing I'm gonna remember is basketball, learning a new sport, a sport which I thought I hated, but playing that everyday routine of playing with friends was pretty lovely.
So I think my favorite part of the fellowship was the Fellowship of the Rings, where in our statistics course we sang. The most eventful and interesting time was the Friends of YF and everything that led up to it. So yeah.
Someone told me very interestingly about YF, like an advice, that either you can sleep, socialize, or study at YF. You can choose two, but not three. Or you can just do one, but not all three.
We've called this place and this fellowship many things: a bubble, a boot camp, the Big Boss house, the Hunger Games. We have laughed while saying it, winced while saying it, rolled our eyes mid sentence, and then walked straight back into it the next morning. You can call it whatever you want. Some days it was a machine. Some days it was a sanctuary. And some days both at once.
So I wanted to be here since I was 14. And if you'd ask me now if it was worth it, yes.
YF has enabled me to pursue a lot of things that I would otherwise have not.
One of the best things for me, the time I spend, the memories, and the relationship I build with my friends. That's very important for me.
Well, I've done nothing except for give myself more and more crisis. I think I'm lacking more clarity than I did before coming here.
बहुत सारा chaos था, बहुत सारा confusion था. अभी तक समझ में नहीं आया फेलोशिप क्या है और कैसे जाएगी. एक्सपीरियंस बहुत अच्छा आया, बट फिर भी ये फेलोशिप समझ में आने के लिए नेक्स्ट 2-3 years तो लग ही जाएंगे. Fellowship never ends.
The YF as an idea will persist. It is chosen, not just once during applications, but every day we choose to stay. And it wasn't always easy. This is about noticing what is shifting. This is about carrying the weight of what we've seen and felt and lived, and knowing that it matters. If nothing else, we were here. We tried, we changed, and that makes all the difference.
I was a man above these things and all their plans. Thought I was by the hand. Oh, what they loved I don't understand. But now I want what I can. Shit, I'm dreaming.